Welcome back to our channel. This is the last and final part of our Plant Kingdom series. If you haven't seen the earlier parts, be sure to check out the full playlist available on our channel. Let's wrap up this chapter strong and take one step closer to mastering biology for NET and Class 11. Refer to this page for the syllabus and topic-wise PYQs from the last 10 years. This will help you focus on the most important and frequently asked areas for NET. So, let's get started. Let's begin with algae, the simplest group in the plant kingdom. Algae are autotrophic, mostly aquatic organisms that can be found in both freshwater and marine habitats. They are classified into three main groups based on their pigments and stored food. Chlorophyceae, green algae. Phaeophyceae, brown algae. Rhodophyceae, red algae. Algae reproduce in three ways. First, vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. Second, asexual reproduction by spores. Third, sexual reproduction, which can be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous depending on the type of gametes involved. Now let's talk about bryophytes, the first land plants to appear evolutionarily. They are found in moist and shady environments and are often called amphibians of the plant kingdom because they require water for fertilization. Bryophytes are divided into two main groups. First, liverworts. Second, mosses. The main plant body in bryophytes is a gametophyte, which means it produces gametes and is the dominant phase. It has structure similar to roots, stems, and leaves, but they are not true vascular tissues. Moving on to pteridophytes, these are the first true vascular plants, meaning they have well-developed roots, stems, and leaves. They are commonly found in cool, damp, and shady places. The main plant body is a sporophyte, which is dominant and independent. Reproduction occurs through spores. The spores grow into a small gametophyte that produces gametes. Just like bryophytes, they need water for fertilization because the sperm must swim to the egg. Now let's talk about gymnosperms, which literally means naked seeds. These are plants in which the seeds are not enclosed within fruits, they remain exposed after fertilization. Gymnosperms include medium to tall trees, like Pinus, Cycas, and the giant sequoia. Their roots are usually taproots and can have special associations, for example, mycorrhiza in Pinus. Coralloid roots with nitrogen-fixing cyanobacteria in Cycas. The stem can be unbranched, as in Cycas, or branched, as in Pinus, and the leaves are adapted to resist water loss. Now, about their reproductive structures, gymnosperms are heterosporous, meaning they produce two types of spores, microspores and megaspores. These are produced in sporangia that sit on special leaves called sporophylls, which form cones or strobili. Male cones, microsporangiate, produce pollen grains, and female cones, megasporangiate, bear ovules. Fertilization is via pollen tubes, and the seeds develop without fruit covering. Hence, they're called naked seeds. Now we move to the most advanced group of plants. The angiosperms, or flowering plants. These plants produce flowers, and their seeds are enclosed within fruits. A major evolutionary advancement. They are the largest and most diverse group of plants, found in almost every type of habitat. From the tiniest wolffia to towering eucalyptus trees. Angiosperms are extremely useful to us. They provide food, fuel, medicine, and countless other products. They are divided into two major classes based on the number of seed leaves or cotyledons, dicotyledons, dicots, with two seed leaves, net-veined leaves, and taproot system. Monocotyledons, monocots. With one seed leaf, parallel-veined leaves, and fibrous roots. Their flowers contain specialized reproductive organs, pollen grains develop in the anthers, and ovules develop inside the ovary. After fertilization, the ovules become seeds, and the ovary turns into fruit, protecting and helping to disperse the seeds. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us for daily updates and more useful content. Notes are available in our Linktree, check the description below. Keep learning, stay motivated, and see you in the next video.